Built for professional contractors who rely on their miter saws day in and day out. Introducing the new Makita LS1018. It's the latest in Makita's expanding lineup of best-in-class miter saws. The LS1018 weighs only 43.7 pounds for added job site portability. Pros demand accuracy, and the linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. At 90 degrees, the LS1018 has a full 12 inches of cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity at 45 degrees. The saw miters 0 to 47 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, and bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left and right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with larger trigger has a better fit for added comfort. It's powered by a direct drive 13-amp motor with soft start, so you'll get smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Get the cutting performance and accuracy for the most demanding jobs. Get the LS1018 10-inch dual slide compound miter saw from Makita.
Elevate your cleaning game with the Makita VC2512L Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Its versatility, power, and durability make it the perfect choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Makita Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner is your trusted partner in maintaining a clean and dust-free workspace. With its robust design and impressive features, this vacuum cleaner offers unparalleled performance.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.